Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, to Lexus Specifics. So today we're still working on G35 or 350Z. So today we got the oil catch can. We're gonna show you today how to install that. I had the new performance one. So today gonna show you how to install it and why I have to install in this car. And pretty much gonna show you everything what I did to this car. And stay with me guys, we'll show you everything. And don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel and make a like to the video, like that we can see more tricks. Thank you. Okay guys, so we got the oil catch can. This high quality, good performance. So today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna install it. So pretty much we find a place, we're gonna install it here to the spots. So we're gonna remove the screw you have there. We're gonna use the number 10 millimeters. Carefully. Okay, like that. Put in a safe place. And before start install it, so we're gonna start working on this one. So we're gonna do open them. Let's see. And you have to put washer on them. It's coming with small washer. Like that, put in place for both sides. And we'll put it back to the place. And we tie them. Okay guys, we'll take this one, so we tied everything back to his place. Gonna put this one there. And we get the screw. We got the 10 millimeters to tie the bag. Go guys, safe and secured. Second thing, we're gonna get those. It's gonna be here. Before you turn them back, we have to get the hose and match into the place where it's supposed to be. So this side is gonna be to the intake manifold, and this one's gonna be to the PCV valve. First thing I'm gonna do is start removing the PCV system. First flat screwdriver. And I have to open my lines. Now, what I gotta take this side here. We gotta put it in this way, so I have to push it all the way. So we gotta open it. Like that. We gotta put it in place. All the way down. What we're gonna do, take this one here and tighten it. You gotta go directly to the place. Keep tightening them. Let me get the tools to tie it back. Okay. So we got number 19, two tight doors. So one here and one on the sides. There we go. I'm tied really good like that. There we go. Tight, secured. Now we gotta come out. So let's do what? We're gonna match the first one. So it's gonna be this one here, and this one go to the intake. Intake one is gonna be right there. So we gotta get a razor, and you have two cuts. Yeah, cut it to the place. Actually, it's really hard to cut it. You have some metal inside. Let me get something to cut with it. Stay with me, guys. So pretty much we're almost done, guys. So pretty much I found a problem. So the hose why it came with the PCV valve, it has a lot of metal inside of it. Just to cut that one, I have to drive until Home Depot to get to cut it. So you cannot cut with something, so you have to get something from metal. Like that you can hook up everything back to the car. So I show you what I did. Okay guys, so I tied everything now. So everything is good and good to go. Yeah. I supposed to get a high performance PCV valve, but it doesn't come in with the package. And I'll show you what I did to the car. So I did paint this one. I did paint it. So I have to paint the top of the car. I did paint the spoiler. I painted by myself. And I paint this side, but still have to put clear coat to it. And the most expensive parts I never spent on this car yet, it was this side. The biggest mistake, guys, be careful when you take this part over here, the plastic. If you take it off, this car, I break it because someone break it before, and he put some silicone over here. So even I cannot move it from the place. As soon as I remove it, they broke all the way. But you know the part, how much the part for this one? Brand new one is $700. Yes guys, $700 just for a fucking plastic. Used one, 200, 150 something. So yeah guys, so almost done. Still have to paint this one. The hood, I'm thinking I'm gonna wrap it, or maybe you gotta get carbon fiber hood. Yeah, we're still working on this car, so I still have to paint my rims, caliber, get some high performance rim, the rotors, and good to maybe take it to tune. And I think you gotta get some spacer to here. Maybe I'll get spacer. Maybe I'm thinking about it. Yeah, so done, guys. And we got the stickers for the oil catch can. So this way we got stickers. So guys, I did a little mistake. So N is for the PCV valve. So whatever it come in here, it gotta be stay inside of it, the oil catch can. And out, this for the air, for the go to the intake. So I switch them already, so I have to put this one here. Here we go. This is what the place is supposed to be. It's supposed to be like that. Out, go to the intake, and the one coming from the PCV valve. Okay guys, the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you for the love and support. And if you like this video, please like it and share and subscribe. It's so hot in Florida right now, we're dying. And stay with me guys, we're gonna show everything in the next video. And please just like to the video, please guys. And have a good one. Thank you.